Guys, today we are going to learn about fourth of our collections is nothing but the dictionary. Dictionary is the basic of collections. Like dictionary is a collections of a key value pairs, and dictionary is in a order and a changeable format. No duplicates are allowed. Okay, let's first create the dictionary. Okay, I have already created the dictionary. You can pause this video and you can copy paste this dictionary. Consider for example, I have a key value pairs. Key value pairs is nothing but the, consider I have a name opening as a dictionary, which is surrounded by like the sets. But in the sets we have, if we have a key value pairs, like consider we have a first key is nothing but the JP Morgan, and that value is the data engineering. Opening is there. We are taking in the companies and the opening is the present in that specific company. Second thing, we have a Citibanks, which we have a opening as a Python developers. Third thing is a Deutsche Bank, which we have a opening of a backend developer. Fourth is Morgan Stanley. We have a opening of a Databricks. Let's print this dictionary. Print. Let's see. As you can see, we are getting. As you can see, we are getting the dictionary. We are getting the dictionary output. Dictionary output is a key value format, like the key values. Second thing, if you want to find the attributes and the function which is available for a dictionary, you can use a dir functions, and print this dir function. Okay. Okay, it is taking, I think, little bit of time. So these are the these are the these are the functions we are using. Dir, deco, equate, format. These are the attributes and the functions are the available for the dictionary. Like the update function is there, value function is there, pop function is there, key function is there, item function is there, get function is there. These are the functions or attributes you can perform on the dictionary, I can say. Fourth thing is okay, let's start with the get function. Like let's use the get function. Like we have opening, like the get functions, we will give the associate value present with that specific keys. Like consider we have a key as a Citibank. Let's print that get functions result. So as I mentioned, the get functions get the value associate with that specific key. Citibank we have a, as a Python developer. Let's see. Deutsche Bank key we are getting as a, why it is getting Deutsche Bank. Okay, I haven't tried a proper. Okay, so we are getting the backend developer as a value. Consider if we have a specific key is not present into a present into our dictionary, then what value we will get? Consider we have a Accenture's key which is not present into our dictionary. So let's see which value we are getting. So we are getting the null value. Okay, you can handle these situations with the if statement. Okay, consider if the value or the key which is the present is not present into a dictionary, we getting a null value. These situations we can handle with the if statement. Let's see. If value is present, then print uh, opening is available, else opening is not available for current month. Okay, available for a current month. Let's see what result we are getting. See, if the opening gets Accenture, it is not available, so value is the true. Instead of getting into a if statement, it will execute the else statement, and we will get the print. The opening is not available. So if the none value is the present, we can handle the situations with using if else conditions. Okay. Third method associated with the dictionary is the update. We are going to see our updates now. Update is like a method which is basically used to add new key value pairs or change the existing pair. Let's take our dictionary that we have defined. Opening. Let's add new key value pairs into dictionary using update method. So if adding the key value pairs, then it will be in the curly brackets, like we have value as a accenture, sorry, key as a accenture, and a value as a sql developers. So we are adding these key value pairs into our existing dictionary. Let's print our dictionary. See, new key value pairs is added into our dictionary. Now let's uh, update. Let's use the update method to change the existing value present into the dictionary. Consider we have a city bank with the opening of Python developer. Let's convert that opening into PySpark developer. So basically, update method is used to add the new key value pairs into the existing dictionary, change or update the existing pair. We are changing the city bank, which is a Python developers, to a PySpark developer. Let's execute. See, as I mentioned, that Citibank is converted into the PySpark developers, and we have added one Accenture as a SQL developers. Okay, if you want to clear the data sets. If you want to clear the dictionary, you can directly use clear method. Prints dot clear. So data set is clear.